README.md Best Practices. What is README.md? README.md equals the main information file of your GitHub repository. It tells people what your project is, what it does, how to use it, how to install it, why. README is the first thing people see when they open your repo. Why README.md is important. A good README helps users understand your project, developers run your project, contributors improve your project, recruiters judge your skills. Why? No README equals no understanding of your project. Basic sections every README should have. A good README should include project title, project description, installation steps, usage instructions, features, license, optional. Why? Gives complete information in one place. Project title and description. Title equals name of your project. Description equals what your project does. Example, weather app. A simple app that shows real-time weather using an API. Why? Helps users quickly know what your project is about. Installation section. Explains how to run the project. Example, clone the repo. Install dependencies. Run the project. Why? Makes your project easy to use. Usage section. Explains how to use the app. Example, run the app. Open browser. Enter city name. Why? Shows users how your project works. Features section. List what your project can do. Example, login system. Search function. Dark mode. Why? Highlights your project strengths. Screenshots or demo. Optional but powerful. You can add images, GIFs, video links. Why? Visual proof of your project working. Technologies used. Mention tools and languages. Example, Java, Spring Boot, React, MySQL. Why? Shows your tech stack clearly. Contribution guidelines. Explain how others can contribute. Example, fork repo, create branch, submit pull request. Why? Encourages open source collaboration. Common beginner mistakes. Missing README file. Writing too long paragraphs. No installation steps. No usage instructions. Using bad formatting. Why? Bad README makes project look unprofessional. Best use cases. Use good README for open source projects, portfolio projects, college projects, team projects, company projects. Why? README improves project value. Real life example. README equals product manual. Project equals machine. Manual explains how to use machine. README explains how to use project. Why? Code without README equals machine without manual. In simple words, README.md equals project explanation. Title equals project name. Description equals what it does. Installation equals how to run. Usage equals how to use. Good README equals easy to understand project. Bad README equals confusing project. README.md best practices equals clear, simple, and useful documentation.